You know what I'm doing, guys? They said that, your kids eat like this, drink cola when she's baby. Pero honest is, ganun din naman sila. Pinapabayaan nila yung anak nilang lumamo ng chocolate, uminom ng coke, chips. Sa totoo lang, wala naman kayong ano sa anak nyo eh. Kunwari pagdating sa akin, unperfect mother ako. Tapos si Don Poldo na walang ginawa kundi matulog na matulog na matulog. At ultimong pagkain ng anak niya, schedule, hindi ko alam. Pero next time, promise, I will say something. Laura, what's wrong? When is exactly the schedule of my daughter if she want to visit me here? Because, it's a shock. You give Mons a schedule. And then he make it secret to me. And the problem is he cannot manage to make food, my dear. Oh, sad. I feel sad that, you forcing the one person to be a best father of my daughter. And since she's young, I'm her mother-father, of my daughter. Yes. I need to be a perfect mom and dad to my daughter to make her complete in this earth. But you know what? Suddenly your happiness is destroyed me again and again and again. Once for a while. It's another attack. Don't worry. It's another bombing. Oh yeah. It's another trial. Let's see if she can smile. Oh well. Honest is, I'm still smiling with my daughter. And if I'm going out, that you're high blood or hissy, like you said, hissy is like, packing shit, high blood, more high blood, like that you want to kill someone, even that we didn't do something bad to you because you're the packing shit racist. If you have a problem being racist, it's not my fault. Why you didn't try to use chinsaw to cut your head? Maybe there's a lot of, the, like that, right? You need something. You need something to, kaaret, yeah. There's sewing machine that you can tahi your ulo. Ulol yung wala. Sewing machine. Hindi, machine gun, yun. You need machine gun to do like that. Yeah, and then you know what? Yeah. Someone called to him and said, yes, money, sex money is coming. Alam nyo ba kung bakit ganyan ang utak nyo? Why you act like that? Why you always destroying Rogelia in your country? Because you're thinking, sex money machine is, we need to eat food, right? Oh yeah, sex is good. Like that. It's very good, yeah. It's just, yeah. Hi, hindi ba kayo nahiya sa inyo? Nasabihin nyo na I make your country more popular? Popular being what? Embarrassing, right? Oh, it's good. It's good that you feel like that because you know what? To embarrass me in how many years, it's more very funny in earth. Yeah. You are the most very funny person in earth. That's why your passport is the noise. I love the boys noise in the morning. The program here in the morning, there's Gomon. Gomon, the mock. Yes, I love the Mac. I love na Mamak is real. Yeah. Ayun lang guys. Thank you for watching. And you know what? I have another another extra YouTube channels. Yeah. Doon ko ilalagay ang aking mga hobby-hobby. I hope that you can support to my YouTube channels and to all of my new and old subscribers. Thank you so much to all of you guys. And have a nice day. Keep praying. Yes. Ang wealth ay hindi lumalabas sa gabi. Lumalabas ang wealth sa araw man o gabi. Kasi sa totoo lang guys is like my lola said and my mother said, don't clean in evening time or through the garbage because they said that you throw the wealth away. I don't know what's kind of believing like that. But I believe that, every day you need to clean your house. Yes. To maintain the house clean. But here, guys, I'm the maintenance of cleaning and repair the paintings or some of the destroy that I need to repair. Yeah. But suddenly, as every time that the house is okay, well, they will remove my rights to have a property in Denmark. But this house, these times, guys, I need to be smart. I didn't allow him to sell this house. Why? Because money is always gone. And then he said, her drama is, I cannot manage to leave her alone. In how many years? Since from your, I think, 18 years old that you move away from your parents until 2004, you can manage alone? And then now you cannot manage, that no one can help you. Hello? 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 Yung job ko ay hindi para suportahan ka. Hindi para tulungan ka ng tulungan. Tapos yung gamit ko, kapag gusto nyong sirain, sisirain nyo. Kapag gusto nyong gawing mabaho ang kilikili ko, gagawin nyo rin sa pamamagitan ng, alam mo na, liquid, maghuhugas muna kayo ng kilikili nyo, ilalagay nyo sa sa bottle, tapos ibubuhos nyo sa damit ko. Wow, how nice. Ang bait-bait pala talaga ng tao sa Denmark, ano? It smells really good that they need to share to me. But you know what? Here, guys, if you don't have money, if you don't have any relatives here, you died. Why? In the other country, you can collect, old food. Some of that you can use it because food from supermarket or from the houses, they will throw it out to the container. But here in Denmark, you cannot, collect food from garbage, especially in supermarket. You know why? Because they don't like that you survive for living from garbage. Yeah. Napakadamot ng tao sa country ito, guys. Hindi ka mabubuhay. Alam mo, may isang Pilipina sa US na nangangalakal siya. Nangangalakal bang tawag? Basta, she can get something from garbage. Some of that is food, yeah. Pero, you know what? No one say, oh, you're not allowed to do that. Dito, you're not allowed. You died here if you don't have relatives. I'm still lucky that, I keep money, yeah. Since that I work in Bigma, yeah. Pero dahil alam nila, they discovered that I can save money, even that my salary is, I think my salary is 3,000 only. 3,000 only crowns, guys. I can hear a shoot of gun, boom, 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 boom. Yeah, to make you scared that, you feel panic and run away. But the wild driver is ready to make hit and run. Yeah, it's good business, right? If you died in Denmark, you cannot ask why. Oh, one Filipina died of hit and run, and they didn't tell who is the killer and who is in Philippines isa la rin the killer nga, the serial killer. Yeah. Astig, no? Ganun nga dito, guys. Ganun ka astig. Kaya ako, gusto ko matuto sa Pilipinas. Kasi gusto ko, pag may nadaanan akong dangok-dangok, ungok-ungok, ayun din, gagawin ko rin hit and run. Sabihin, oh, you're dead. Can you talk to me? You're dead, right? You're dead. Yun nga yun, guys. Bye, guys.